on a cheeky Monday night camp tonight. Okay. Talking to YouTube. Yes, cheeky one on a Monday. Dovestones. We've never done it before, but we've had a few walks, so we know where we're going. But we don't know where we're camping. That's the difference.
Don't know where we're going, got no way you know it. Driving on the road to nowhere. Sponging for a living, checking out the women. Riding on the road to nowhere. And we don't take shit from anyone. The only thing we want to do is have some fun. With mods and brads. Brads and mods, that's what you're supposed to say.
It's not anymore, is it?
Best of all, we don't pay camping fees. There you go.
Yeah.
What have I done?
Yeah, so we don't know. We're going to get there and decide. We don't know whether to go left round the reses yet, up, or go up straight up Indian's Head. But we're worried that this is a bit slippy. So, plus we're carrying. We never carried this sort of weight up Indian's Head. Because if you know, you know. Indian's Head. Right, I'll bring you back. I'm bored. Yeah, I'm boring myself talking, so I'll bring you back in a minute. It's a lot drier up there. We're hoping. Out where we go.
Yeah.
Right.
We're going to be in the clag again.
Yeah, you can see the clag up there. But no matter where we go today, we're going to be in the clag. Better get used to it. It's looking calm, isn't it? So we've decided we're going up this side because we've come down that way. Half an hour up there. I'm sure we'll find somewhere.
Walk in. Enjoyed that actually.
Like I said, Monday camp.
Talk some shit, don't he?
Right, I'll sit up now.
I've got that.
Right, I'll sit up now.
I think he's all set up.
I'll pitch, I'll sit up. I don't know what to say. Right, start again. Up. Even the words.
I'll stop recording, honest.
Right, we're all set up now. Got here, found a spot. Very boggy underfoot. Everywhere we seem to go.
I'm starving, so I'm going to get my tea on. Some rice. Bought some katsu. Sticking with the sausages. And sticking with what I had, so some sauerkraut. Some red onion. Let's try it. So katsu curry, bratwurst sausages with some rice, sauerkraut and red onion. Not bad. Bad from the top of an hill.
There you go. For you. Enjoy.
Cheers, bro. Cheers, Bradbury. That's upside down. Knackers, it's 9:30. I've had tea. Bradbury's obviously done me a burger. Wind's picking up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get my head down. Wind's picking up now, so hopefully not too bad and we'll have a good sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Morning. Not a bad sleep.
condensation in the tent. Piss wet through. It's not dripped on us, but all dripped on me. Bradbury's is the same, but it was pretty windy last night. But it was quite mild, so maybe that's it. Yeah, look at it. It's pretty soaking, that. Yeah, I've got no water, so I can't have a brew. So we're just going to get packed up and get out of here. We're going to go round, so we're going to go round the reses, so we're going to do a little bit of a circular. The clag's in. Can't really see much. He's watching Good Bloke Outdoors. Alright, let's get out of this bitch.
All packed up. I was there, Bradbury's there. Say leave no trace. There's a load of shit here. We've picked up quite a bit ourselves, but it's tissues and stuff, so I'm not touching that. But come on, guys, you got to get better than that. That's staying up here for a bit, innit? So whatever you bring up, you got to take back, haven't you?
Piece of this shit.
Yeah. If you know, you know. Say we're on Dovestones. If you ever come across this hut, you always have a break halfway around, don't you? Some loop-the-loop soup. If anyone knows why this was built, comment below. I don't have a scubies, and I'm sure this chump's not going to know. What's it built for?
What was it built for?
Yeah.
Don't know.
Yeah. Farmers.
No idea. I'd say, I wouldn't say farmers because there's not any sheep up here. Maybe something to do with, I don't know, not mining, I don't know. Something to do with the reservoir maybe when it was being built, somewhere to live.
Yeah. There you go. Facts. That's what you come to this channel for, isn't it? Facts.
Yeah, straight up facts.
And Bradbury's channel. You can see where the
roof was.
yeah.
On the other side.
See that?
And the beams going through.
You can see where the roof was. Crazy. Hey, it is!